Alrighty guys, y'all see what I got here? My new jump box. Now, where I'm headed is, y'all remember my old 93 model Nissan truck? Is it still here? Yeah. I had to hide it over here in the corner, guys, because I had to get it off the lot. They didn't want, no, it looked abandoned, but it's not abandoned. It actually worked. I just don't drive it, so there's no insurance on it. I think the tags, not so much expired, because I don't have to get my renewal anymore. This is a 93 model. I don't have to get emissions or anything like that. But look like somebody been putting junk on here again. I wonder, will it start? What the hell is this? Who's putting crap on my car? Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, this is a real ass car. Who put a damn hood on? This does me no good. Oh, I gotta unload some stuff at home. I got some stuff at home to clean up. Oh my God. Uh-oh, got a little flat tire, nothing too hard. Will this damn thing even start? Somebody been in my truck. All right, guys. Now, due to the fact it haven't started in damn maybe a year, 6 months maybe. I know good and well is gonna keep us from clattering noise. All right, so let's look at her. Look at her, look at her. Oh my goodness, 93 model, guys. Let me jump this thing off and see if it'll actually fire up. Like I say, I need my truck this weekend because I have some stuff at home. I gotta clean up some stuff and I need somewhere to put all the junk that I clean up. Oh, positive. This car's truck's so old, can't even tell which one's positive and negative anymore. I think 93 was when R12 went out. So this truck, I don't know if it's, I can't remember. If it's R12 134, 9 volts high. Now I gotta find the key. I don't know where the damn key at. I think I leave the key in here. Y'all don't need to know that, but I think I hide oh, there it is. Whew, I didn't want to hide the key from myself. Uh-oh, I got nothing. Okay, key don't mean nothing. Oh, there it is. All right. Look, y'all heard that pump whining? That's that prime, baby. Nissan, baby. Let's see what happens. It's a stick. Junky ass stick. Oh, no. All right. I think I have to rig some stuff. I have some stuff rigged up on the starter circuit. Not for theft reasons, just because oh yeah, I think. All right, let me fix this, guys. See if we can get this thing fired up. All right. All right, guys. Let's see what happened. I jumped that wire out. Here we go. Make sure I'm in neutral. Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Come on, valve train. This ain't no damn Pentastar. Get rid of that ticking. Y'all know what that is. Hey, look at it smoothed out. That's because I haven't started in a while. All the oil has drained the valve train and basically went back down to the oil pan where it's supposed to. All right. I don't know how bad these tires was. I think this thing was shaking too much for me to drive. I'm going inside the shop, guys. See if it's safe enough to actually drive. All right, if I take this off, am I charging? Hey, 14 volts. Hey, it's still running. Now you can do these old model cars. Remember I told y'all, don't do a charging system test like that because it won't work. You can spike out something, but these old cars, it's okay. New cars got too many modules on them. You might burn up a module. All right, it lives. I want to know who the hell put all this crap on my truck. Like it's a damn dump truck or something. It's a real ass truck. Wait a minute. Now, I gotta see if I remember how to drive a stick. Yeah, guys, I don't think you will ever. Once you learn how to drive a stick, it sticks with you. Woo! It sticks with you forever. Where's first gear? It's been a minute. I haven't driven a stick in a long time. Uh-oh. Here goes nothing. Look at my windshield all dirty. Alright guys, let's go in the shop and see what we're working with. Check the oil and stuff, see if I need to. Ooh, can I get through there? Alright. Alright guys, we head into the shop. Let's get it. Hey, we made it. Now this is what you call drawing some attention. You got a Nissan truck and a Dodge shop. It lives! It lives! What the hell is all of this? It's for your time, youngin'. It's when bow-legged was out. The fat bow-leg tires. And hang out, yeah. Then when y'all generation came along, y'all started raising shit up to 20s, 30s, and 40s, and 50s. Yeah, we was bow-legged back in the 93. This sucker still fired up. 1993 Nissan. Where's my air tube? I'm gonna put some air in this thing. All right, guys. Nobody want to confess who the hell put this hood. None of the mechanics know nothing. I'm like Nino Brown right here. Don't nobody know nothing? Nobody knows nothing. If I find the sucker that put this junk in here, it's gonna be on. Well, my change of plans are ruined, guys. I can't drive this home simply because I forgot about this tire. This tire caused me a major vibration. You know what's crazy? This tire ain't wore out. I think I replaced this tire last year. They just dry rot. I guess if you sit so long, yeah, look how looped that is. Y'all see that? Yeah, that is some major vibration. I forgot when I brought it from the house. Tried to drive it, I was shaking 15, 20 miles an hour, about to shake up out of the car. So it's unsafe to drive. So you know where I'm headed? Back to the deck. All right, we'll go to plan B. I got another truck out there. In fact, let me go check on my other truck. I might can drive that one home. All right, guys, let's go back to the garage. Let me check on my other truck and see what we got cracking with it. Let's get it. Alrighty, here go my other round of cars that I'm hiding. All right, I'm on my white PT Cruiser. There it is, and there go my Dodge Ram truck. Yeah, look. Who the hell still got books? What the hell does this even go to? Service manual. Anybody own a Chrysler 300 Concord or Intrepid 2004 model? Y'all want this book? All these training courses I took a long time ago. Diesel part 1. I remember that course. What is this? 3-liter diesel fuel. Yeah, I had training on that. I know all of this stuff. Automatic transmission part 4. Alright. There go another one. Man, I done had a bunch of training, guys. That's what they call experience. Ooh, I need to freshen up on this one. Vehicle communication. I got some CAN bus cars kicking my ass right now, so I don't want to turn this off. I might have to jump it off. So, all right, what we got here? I ain't interested in the PT. I'm gonna eventually end up selling this to pull apart because I'm nowhere near interested in doing a head gasket on this thing. It overheats. Quite frankly, guys, I use this for storage. A lot of my, yeah. And when I need a part, last time I had a PT Cruiser, I needed a part for a PT. They didn't have one, so I came out here and got one off mine. But yeah, I could use this truck. Oh yeah, I got plenty of room in here. I put that transmission back here years ago. Somebody was looking for one of those. I'm gonna use this one, guys. So let me drop this bad boy off. What that means, I gotta move this bad boy. Alright, guys, I'm gonna end this video. I don't like these long videos, so the whole goal is I gotta get a truck home to clean up some stuff and move some stuff around. Okay, that's where we at. And this truck here, yeah, these are all just storage trucks. Yeah, all these hub bearings and stuff I was saving to, I was doing work on. What the hell is all of this? Head gaskets and all kind. Oh, the heads. I sold those heads to the scrapyard. I remember because I ain't doing no more. Look at all these head gaskets. We ain't doing these no more. I got a whole compound now. A whole, y'all know what the transmission. I know what happened. On these, I was getting these from pull apart and just automatically build them. The hub bearings would go bad. And I would just press bearings in them and sell the whole knuckle. Or my next job, I will already have the knuckle available. This when I was doing PT Cruisers daily. All right, I still do them. People got me on the internet. They call me JT Cruiser. So yeah, if somebody come in and say I need hub bearings, I just grab a knuckle instead of. But I always get in trouble because they, how you fix that so fast? I heard they was press fit. Yeah, they are, but I got you knuckles and they already press fitted. What the hell going on here? Somebody been in my truck. All right, I'm done. I'm done talking. Let me back this out of the way, some way, somehow, and we gotta get this out. That's all I have, guys. I guess it's safe to go park the damn Nissan since somebody violated me just sticking hoods on my boy. I wish I would. We should have cameras in here. I want to see who. I want to know who put that down. Violated my rights. Oh man. So that's my jump box right here. Let's my key. I think I left this. Yeah, key still in the ignition. Wasn't worrying about nobody stealing it, guys. Nobody really wants this thing, but it's dead. So we'll have to jump it off. And this sucker hadn't started in a year. Now, how the hell you let the hood up? It's been a minute. There you go. Oh. Alrighty. Whoa. Whoa. Talk about some corrosion. You know what, guys? I want to do this. I heard this is my chance to find out for myself firsthand. Okay. Let me go take care of all this and park that truck and all that. But I'm going to get a Pepsi. I read somewhere that Pepsi take care of that. Now, can you imagine if I put Pepsi on here and clear all of that up, what Pepsi is doing to your insides? Now, I ain't here to badge Pepsi, okay? I might someday get sponsored by Pepsi. So that's not what I want to do. I just want to see for myself because I've always heard these horror stories. I'm going to the Coke machine and buy a damn, is it Pepsi or Coke? One of them colas, one of those black dark colas. I think it's Pepsi. All right, I'm gonna switch gears. I'm gonna change to a whole nother video. But I'm about to jump this off, move that PT, and drive this truck home. But for now, I'm going to get a Pepsi and see for myself. All right, it's different when you hear a lot of things on the internet than you seeing it firsthand. I want to see for myself what Pepsi do for that. All right, we done. I did that little experimentation on another video, guys. So what I'm gonna do now is jump this thing off and take it in the shop, prep it up to take home. Okay, I don't even know if it'll start. I guess it's worth checking the oil. Oh my goodness, I am so disappointed in myself drinking Pepsi and Coke all those years. But we done. No more. And to think I got stock. Yeah, I got stock in Pepsi and colas and drinks, soft drink. I don't know which kind. All right, let's see if this baby will start. Here goes nothing. Uh-oh. Yeah. It lives. Damn, this thing been over here. Yeah. Dodge rules, baby. This ain't actually Dodge. This is Ram. It is Dodge. I can get out now. The PT down for the count. I ain't even thinking about that. PT level. There you go. You want one? All right. It's overheating. I am not about to fix it, but all right, guys. Look, and I'm charging. Yeah. So I'm done. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next freaking video. I gotta go.